All right, we're here. Looking for Lee's. My wife has gone missing again. So I thought maybe we should go to Butchart Gardens, and maybe she's hiding out there. So let's take a look around. Maybe we'll find her. Maybe we'll find the timtracker. Let's go. Ooh. No Lee's here. But no Lee's.
You can cut some step.
All right, I'm looking for Lee's and where the entrance to Butchart is. Maybe there's a sign somewhere. Do you guys see a sign somewhere? Anywhere? Anybody? You guys see a sign? No? All right, well, we'll keep looking for my wife. Lee's! Oh, well. Okay. We've looked everywhere. We're having a great time. Great observation area. Can't find Lee's though. We'll keep looking. Wish me luck. Lee's? Still looking for Lee's. This is cool. I see whitefish. But no Lee's. Where's my wife? Lee's? Oh well. I found a dragon, but no Lee's. Okay, found a great place. She could be anywhere here. Keep looking around, guys. We might find her. So we're looking for Lee's. Where did we end up? This is a weird place. Is Lee's on this ride? Let's see if Lee's is on this ride. Lee's? What are you guys doing with the frog?
Love and how's
That was weird. Lee's. Still no Lee's. Whoa. You guys see her around? She could be around here anywhere. Look around. Can you see my wife anywhere? Well, I see a waterfall. That's pretty cool. I see some roses. I see beautiful trees. I like that tree over there. It's like, I don't know. It's beautiful. But no Lee's. Well, I guess we'll keep looking. Still looking for Lee's. Lots of roses though. But no Lee's. Where is she? We'll keep looking. Found a dragon. But still no Lee's. We'll keep looking. You look a little wet. Hey, Lee's, are you in there? Lee's. Alright, looking for Lee's. Checking to see if she's on this ride, and you see her? I didn't see her on the what? No, that wasn't her. What? That was an orca. That's not Lee's. Well, we'll keep looking for her. Ooh. You guys find Lee's down there? Is Lee's it? Is Lee's down there? We'll keep looking. Waiting for it.
Yeah, it could be a while.
Waiting for it.
Like a couple. I guess because it gets colder.
Looking for Lee's, and well, that might have scared her off. I don't know if you know what that is, but there's a sign over there. That scared my wife. Don't tell her. Oh, still looking for Lee's. Help me look around here. Can you see her anywhere? She hiding out someplace? It's a good place to look around, isn't it? Nope. No Lee's. Well, I guess we'll keep looking. So we went all around the place looking for Lee's and can't find my wife anywhere. I'd like to find that fountain I heard about. No timtracker. Of course not. But yeah. Well, it was fun looking around here for my wife, but she's not here. That's pretty cool though. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye. Stop staring at me.